Today is bonfire night, and Jimmy coming with me, Malcolm coming with me, and Mommy coming with me, and Daddy, and a baby,
What we're going to do?
and my goat teeth. And Mew don't get photo.
I won't forget about him. That's your teeth. Chain. All right then, let's go do some lights.
Yay!
Wow.
Can I throw it?
Nah, you can't throw it.
Oh, you. Maybe you can't do this. Don't. No, why?
Wow. Your one's going out. Just...
Oh no, can I have my kite?
It's gonna end down.
That's it. Yeah, it's gonna end. That's it.
They
Well
gonna
done.
drop-
Guys, do you hear that?
Some fireworks.
Hit.
To the sky. Put the sky up.
Good. Let's put Mew there.
The last one's the big one, guys.
Hit that bell and subscribe.